It's here. I finally bought a winch for my Can-Am 570 XMR. I've been wanting one for a long time, just been so busy and just haven't had time to install it. But with COVID going on and me working part-time, I now actually have plenty of time to install one of these. So when I was searching for a winch, I couldn't find any unboxing videos because I was curious what all was included when you buy one of these. So today, I'm going to do an unboxing of this Can-Am HD3500 winch. They also make a 2500 version and I believe a 4500 pound version. This one retails for $310. The 2500 pound version I believe is $280. So for 30 bucks more, I thought it was worth it to go ahead and get the 3500 pound version. So let's see what's all included. Now I did cheat a little bit. I already opened it up, so if everything's not put back, I mean, it's because I've already opened it up and just kind of threw it all back in the box. So I do apologize if it's not, you know, perfect packaging like it came from the factory, but it was close enough for me. So this is the package that it comes in. This is the 3500 pound version. It's got the part number on the side right here, 715006415. There's the back of the box. It's got some weight to it as well. It's pretty heavy. So you get your paperwork right here. So the first thing you get is a sheet telling you to download your instructions and print them out. It doesn't come with any instructions already. So you have to go to instructions.brp.com, plug in the part number, and then it'll give you a PDF that you can download that will show you how to install it. And right here is a operator's guide. If you wanted to download that. Declaration of conformity. Whatever that is. A paper copy of the operator's guide. So you get all the wiring. I'm really impressed with the quality of the wires. The ends are already shrink wrapped and they've got these nice eyelets on them ready to go. So I won't have to mess around with cutting these wires to length. It'll just be a plug and play installation. Don't really know what that is just yet. I haven't looked in the instructions, but it comes with one. Comes with the cable guide. Sure, this is the hardware to mount the winch. Got the solenoid. This is completely sealed as well. So, I mean, you can pretty much submerge this thing in water and it should still work fine. That's what the literature said. And these are the mounting brackets for the solenoid. I believe from what the instructions said, if your Can-Am doesn't have the DPS, which is the dynamic power steering, then you would use this bracket to mount the solenoid on. Mine already has DPS, so I think the bracket's already there. Right, there's another bracket it comes with. Got tons of zip ties, which is nice. Like we got a fuse box cover here, circuit breaker cover. I believe that's what it's labeled as. Yep. It's got some. My bag's ripped and the hardware's starting to come out, but it comes with that. Right there's the hook. The red strap. I love the red strap. It'll match the red, white, and black paint scheme that my XMR has. Then we got the handlebar mount. with the control box. Looks like we got more hardware here. And then we have the big winch itself. Ooh, this thing's heavy. Oh, it's so pretty. Nice. So it doesn't have a glossy finish like you see on the internet or even in the picture on the box here. See how the finish looks nice and shiny? That wasn't the case at all. It feels more like a truck bed finish on there. It's rough, it's dull, but I'm sure it's durable. And that's everything that is included with my Can-Am HD3500 winch. One of the main reasons I went with the Can-Am winch is I wanted a factory installed look. The nice thing about the Can-Am kit is you know everything is included that you'll need to install on your ATV. And all the wires are already pre-cut, soldered, and shrink wrapped, which is a few less things to worry about. If you'd like me to do an install video, make sure you hit that like button. So long.